In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Sprout social account subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so there are no surprises along the way. Keep in mind that only the account owner or someone with billing permissions can complete this, so if you don't see the options I mention, it's usually a permissions issue rather than something you're doing wrong. First, sign in to your Sprout social account in your web browser. Make sure you're in the correct organization or workspace if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen. You'll either see your profile picture or a small gear icon. Both lead you to the same place. Click the profile icon or the gear to open the main settings menu. This hub is where Sprout keeps account-level options, so it's the starting point for anything related to your plan and billing. From the Settings menu, go to Billing and Plan. In some versions of the interface, it may simply be labeled Billing. Either way, you're in the right spot when you see details about your current plan, seats, and payment information. This page is designed to centralize everything connected to your subscription, including invoices and renewal dates, so it's normal if you see a summary of your plan at the top and more options as you scroll. Now scroll down the billing page until you find the option to deactivate. You're looking for Deactivate Your Account. And in some layouts, it might read Deactivate or Deactivate My Account. The wording can vary slightly, but the meaning is the same. This initiates the cancellation of your subscription. Deactivation here refers to the entire account subscription, not just removing a user seat, so be sure you're selecting the account level option. It's typically located near the bottom of the page, so it's not clicked by accident. Click the Deactivate option and follow the on-screen steps to confirm cancellation. Sprout may ask you to pick a reason, review what will happen next, and acknowledge any remaining time on your current billing cycle. Read these prompts carefully, then confirm. When you finish, you should see a confirmation message indicating the cancellation is scheduled. In most cases, you retain access until the end of your current billing period, and then the account becomes inactive. Scheduled posts and reporting access will stop once the cancellation takes effect. That's it. Log in, open Settings, head to Billing and Plan, choose Deactivate Your Account, and confirm. You've successfully canceled your Sprout social subscription.